So let us welcome a lot of, now we have 32 people. Let's welcome everyone.
And RSG goes.
Yeah, Shrikant, Shankar, BRSG, Prabhu, Muthukannan, welcome. Yes, Bala.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. Good evening, friends. I welcome you all for the today Bonanza meeting today. Let's start the meeting. Silent invocation for 30 seconds. Thank you. I request the president to calling of the president. I request a meeting call to order.
Friends, the weekly meeting, the fellowship meeting, Biryani Bonanza is called to order. And don't get me wrong, we will finish the meeting in 15 minutes.
Yeah, thank you, Sharath. Now I request our past president T. Sridhar to read out the four-way test.
Good evening, friends. Four-way test. Of the things we think, say, or do, is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sridhar. Thank you, Sridhar. Now I request Rotarian Session to deliver the thought for the day.
Thought for the day today. When a million things can bring you down, find one reason to keep you up. Thank you all.
Thank you, Session. Now it's time to President. I request President to welcome the gathering.
Yes, friends, a very good evening to its first of its virtual biryani treat. I'm sure most of the parcels would have reached everybody's home. So this is a first in the attempt in this strange pandemic year we are in. So we got a lot of feedback that some members, they want to attend the meeting, but they're not able to come to the in-person meeting. So this is one such attempt where we send the feast to their homes. So from their comfort of their home, they can attend the meeting and enjoy the feast and also have a lovely fellowship and bonding with the members. So this is going to be a family meeting tonight. So once this meeting, I'm saying it's already a success. We have close to 40 people. So counting, there are 3 others at Naresh's place. So we have close to 40 members now. I think it's a good attendance. So once this clicks, we will have more such kind in the following weeks. So we are planning more such with different themes so that we can cover all cuisines. We'll go for a pizza night. We will go for a Italian night. Say Ella Sapada night. As you know, say Sridhar was mentioning that now people have come out with unique concept. So send feast to everybody's home. We'll try to come out with all such methods. And one such important announcement I have to make is we have the AGM on the 16th, that is coming Wednesday. I request every Rotarian to make their presence felt. And I got a request from DG Muthu, which I couldn't refuse, that he has asked 1 hour time the AGM. So I thought we can have coffee with DG Muthu on the same day from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So it will be in a one-to-one open heart chat with DG, because he is a person who has come out with a lot of plans in his year. But now since everything is opening up, so he's willing to share his ideas with us and take our inputs and see how the next 6 months can go. So I request all the members to join in at 5:45 on Wednesday in person in Hayat. So we will have a networking session. We'll have tea. Then from 6 to 6:45 we'll have meeting with our DG. Then 6:45 we will have high tea with some good desserts and sandwiches, so that we are charged in for the wonderful AGM session for the next 2 hours from 7 to 8:30 or 7 to 9. So with this, I don't want to take much of your time, because a lot of kids and everyone alike are waiting to see what is going to unfold in front of us today. So we have a wonderful host, Nabran Ghosh with us. He's going to entertain us for as much as time we request for. It's going to be music, it's going to be quiz, and it's going to be the superstar's birthday today. So I'm sure he has a lot of surprise for us. And when for the Tambola game, I have sent tickets to everyone. If anybody hasn't received a ticket, please message Naresh. So he will send you one ticket soon. And please either take a printout or just make a sketch of the same on a paper and participate in the Tambola. And Tambola also has a lot of prizes. Now we will only virtually announce who the winner is. So we will just say, you are the winner, you are the winner. So when we meet in person, we will definitely give the prizes to the winners. So apart from this, we are planning a Christmas and a New Year party. So Christmas and New Year party in person. And we have our club's 26th birthday. That is the charter night on January 10th. And very luckily, 26th happens to be a Saturday. So we can come out, meet our friends. I think for most of us, it has been more than 8 to 9 months who haven't actually met. It'll be a lovely time. And charter night 10th Jan also happens to be on a weekend. It's on a Sunday. We'll have a lovely time, and we will entertain you. So the only thing what we can do this year is the president and the team can entertain the members and keep them glued and have a great time. So thank you. Over to you, Bala.
Yeah. Thank you, Sharath. Thank you so much. So now we'll move on to secretary announcements. After that, the entertainment will start. Birthday greetings. Tomorrow, Sai Meera, Anna of Rotarian Sri Sundar celebrate birthday tomorrow. And Vidya Lakshmi, Anna of Rotarian Ganesh and celebrate birthday on 14th December. Satyanarayan celebrates birthday on 15th December. Bhavana Praveen, Anna of Rotarian Praveen celebrate birthday on
Advance
15th
birthday.
December.
Happy birthday, Bono.
Praveen, yeah. Advance happy birthday, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. And wedding anniversary tomorrow.
Adikula
Our
wedding
club service
anniversary
director
ke
Kirtika
bhutta
Madhukumar will celebrate their wedding anniversary tomorrow. And tomorrow, 13th December, Anuradha and Florist celebrating their wedding anniversary tomorrow.
Hey, happy wedding day.
That's all from secretary announcements. And the announcement from secretary desk is 16th of this month. We have important meetings. Annual general meeting will be held on 16th at Hyatt. The meeting at 5:45. I request all the members to be there at 5:45 for the DG coffee with the DG. And after that, 7 o'clock, our AGM will be started. So I request all the members to be there without fail on 16th December at Hyatt. Thank you, Sharath. We move on to over to Sharath.
Okay, guys, now I adjourn the meet. Thank you. And let's have a wonderful time. And over to you, Nabran. Thank you.
Super, Sharad. Super for that effect.
Welcome to Biryani Bonanza. I hope all of you have got your biryanis ready because we've got the Bonanza ready over here. Superb. So let's start with the Bonanza with a song. Everybody, let's have the hands up in the air. We are celebrating Shanti's birthday today and we'll start with a song. Okay, here we go. Give தினமாடி பாடலாம் பல ஜோடி சேரலாம் மனம் போல் வா கொண்டாடலாம் மனம் போல் வா கொண்டாடலாம் ஹே! ஆசை நூறு வகை வாழ்வில் நூறு சுவை வா. Thank you so much. So we open this with celebration of superstar Rajinikanth. He turns 70 today, and we wish him all great health and happiness. So we will start the biryani bonanza with some questions on one question, one or two. As we go on, I'll keep asking you questions. But remember, the answers, you have to give the answers on the chat box of the Zoom. Okay, you have to type in the answer. Whoever types the answer first will get a super prize coming up. But you have to come on the chat box. I'm opening the chat here also. And Bala, can you have a look? Wow, what a start. Thank you so much. And yes, also as and when we go, we have some special prizes for some amazing singers from the Rotary Club of Gindi, from the members or your family members. If you'd like to participate, let me know. Just put your name and the name of the song on the chat. I'll call you in between. And the good and the best singers will get a super prize at the end of it. Okay? So let's go. First question. Very important question. No guessing. You have to give me the correct answer. Whoever gives the first correct answer, and Arun here, my friend, will be noting the answers. Correct? Which Arun knows.
Laptop open.
So here we go. The first question. How old was superstar Rajinikanth? How old was superstar Rajinikanth? Today he's 70, but how old was he when his mother passed away? Extreme 70 and 7. 9, 13, no. 23, 2. Okay, Kadir is the winner. Kadir is the one who said 5 correctly, because Vishnu said 5 or 6. Okay, Kadir said 5.
Yo, doctor,
5 and
biryani poche.
Arun, can you change the name?
Sorry, doctor.
Anba,
ஒரு biryani ஆட்டை போட்டு நண்பா அவரோட biryani.
Name the director who gave superstar Rajinikanth his first positive role, because he started his career as a villain. அப்புறம் தான் அவருக்கு ஹீரோ ரோல்ஸ் கிடைச்சது. பாசிட்டிவான ரோல் எந்த டைரக்டர் அவருக்கு கொடுத்தாரு? Either you can give me the name of the film or you can give me the name of the
Friends, type it in the chat box.
Indran கிடையாது. Who said first? Vishnu Srinivas, absolutely correct. Vishnu Srinivas, 10 points. That's S.P. Muthuraman. The movie was the 1977 film Bhuvana Oru Kelvi Kuri.
Yeah, Nabarun, we have one Bona in the club, so I hope it is not her, right?
Just jump into the biryani and pick up your ticket. Pick up this ticket. We'll be playing a special food tambola in a minute from now. Okay, so get the ticket ready. Okay, get the ticket ready, and we are talking about food. So quickly, I'm going to give you an alphabet. Type in the name of the song which has this food item in the song. I'm going to give you a food item. You have to type in, whoever types in first, the name of the song which has that food item, you will get a special prize. The food item I'm talking about is chai, tea, chai. What is the song which has chai, the word chai in it? Chai. Give. Garam chai ki pyali ho. Who's the first one? Just read, no, Bala? Rajan Sitani gets 10 points. Arun, I hope you're noting. Rajan Sitani, absolutely right. A garam chai ki pyali ho. Superb. Okay, that is the correct answer. Garam chai ki pyali ho. Superb. Okay. Chaya kadayade. Chaya kadayade. Hello. Yarpa adu? Ambli tea. I like to tell you, chaya has got nothing to do with chaya. Chaya is different. Chaya in Punjabi means shade. Okay, the shade of a person. Okay, chaya, chao. It's not chai. Okay. Right. So the first prize is given there, and one more I'm going to quickly do, and after that we will start the fourth tambola.
Sir, one Rajini song is Chaya Chaya.
Chaya langade. No. That is, he's talking about Chaya. It's pronounced wrong in the song. Ella Maya, ella Chaya. Chaya, they means shadow. Everything is a shadow. Everything is a illusion. Okay, that has got nothing to do with tea. It's about, the word is supposed to be Chaya. Pronunciation apdi panni vittanuga. Okay, we are talking about the tea, the drinking tea. Okay. Now quickly, one more question, one more word, which you have to quickly tell me a song which has the word Pani in it. Pani. Okay, who's the first one? Pani? No, before the Pani Re, somebody's put. Name? Rotarian Dr. Anuradha. Pani Re is absolutely correct, from the film Marches. Pani Re, Kare Pani Re, Nano Me Bas Ja, Seene Aage Badh Ja. Okay, so Dr. Anuradha, you get the prize. So Arun, kindly note, Dr. Anuradha, Pani question, the first winner. So let's go quickly and open the ticket. Please open the ticket. Okay, yeah, let's do a song and then we'll start the tambola. Check. இனிய பொன்னிலாவே பொன் நிலவினின் கனாவே நினைவிலே பொன் சுகம் தரரத்துத தொடருதே தினம் தினம் தரரத்துத என் இனிய பொன்னிலாவே பொன் நிலவினின் கனாவே. The filmy, the food.
Awesome,
Nabrun, can I just
awesome.
make an announcement, Nabrun?
In order like this.
Nabrun can just make an announcement.
Okay, announce.
Yeah. Friends, just I would like to make a small announcement. I would like to recognize our past president, Neil. So when I was just having a talk with him sometime last week, he suggested why not do a new concept wherein we send the food to the members' home and have an entertainment evening. So thank you, past president Neil, for this idea. And when I shared this idea with the club service director, Say Kritika, she immediately agreed on it. And then we roped in Uwais to do the delivery. So thank you, Neil, Kritika, and Uwais, and all the members of RCG for joining today. Thank you. Enjoy the show.
Okay. Thank you, Neil.
Our heart and soul is completely Rotary.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sharath. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you, President Sharath. Okay, now let's move to So let's go there. Now, we will start the food tambola. In between, we will do other things. So, the food tambola, all of you pick up the ticket like this. We have a very, very generous president here who has promised a lot of mind-blowing prizes for all of you. Okay? He's promised me he will sell his entire property, but he'll give you a prize. Okay? So, play with full Josh.
It was a good one.
You have names of food items, sapad items. I will ask a clue. If you know the answer, tell me the answer. You can all unmute, no problem. எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து நீங்க எல்லாம் சொல்லலாம் பதில் எல்லாம் எல்லாரையும் unmute பண்ணிடலாம் பிரச்சனையே கிடையாது. And first prize will go to anybody who finishes any two answer correct. எது ரெண்டு கரெக்டான விடை கொடுத்தா கூட okay. Any two answers. Jaldi 2 it's called. Quick. And since we are in Tamil Nadu, we will start with a Tamil Nadu question. Ready?
George, unmute.
If you are ready, show me the thumbs up. Ready na konja ipdi thumbs up kaattunga please. Okay, pakka. Let's start. Super. First,
Is it unmuted now?
and also remember, all the answers are only food items. Okay, ticket la varum saapad items தான் எதிர்க்கு. Okay, and once it comes கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த பிரியாணி சாப்பிட தோணும். யார் வீட்ல பிரியாணி வந்துச்சோ டக்குன்னு அந்த பிரியாணி பக்கத்துல ஓடுவீங்க. யாருக்கு வீட்ல வரலையோ இப்போ வந்துரும். So let's go quickly and do this one. What is Tamil Nadu's harvest festival, which is also a famous food item?
Pongal.
Ticketல பொங்கல் இருக்கு. யார் டிக்கெட்ல பொங்கல் இருக்கா?
வட போச்சு பொங்கல் இல்லையே.
சுரேஷ் சார் டிக்கெட்ல பொங்கல் வந்திருக்கு. வெரி குட்.
பொங்கல் இருக்கு.
So let's go. If you get two correct answers, you have to come on the chat and type 2. அப்புறம் டக்குன்னு நம்ம உங்ககிட்ட கேட்போம் என்னென்ன டிக்கெட்ல வந்திருக்குன்னு. What all has come on the ticket. So remember, you come on the chat box and type if you finish 2, if you're claiming. Okay, what is the main ingredient in all types of Chinese food?
Ajinomoto.
What is the main ingredient cooking? For cooking all kinds of Chinese.
Soya sauce.
Soya sauce or MSG.
No, Ajinomoto.
Ajinomoto.
They put Ajinomoto in everything. So Ajinomoto. Okay.
वो नाम रहना चाहिए
Piece of bread with something in between. What is it called?
What? Sorry?
2 pieces of bread with something in between.
Sandwich.
Yeah, playing for quick 2, remember. So if you have to type it on the chat. Keep the chat on, please.
Yaar, 2.
நீங்க வந்து நீங்க 2 னு சொன்னா போதும். நீங்க என்னன்னு போடணும். அது பாக்குறவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Suresh, proof.
Suresh, what all have you finished? Tell me.
Yeah, pongal and sandwich.
Can you not say this or Suresh Kumar finishes everything too. Okay, now also remember all of you, whoever gets the quick answers is not eligible for the next quick. Okay, but you are eligible for top line, middle line, bottom line, full house. That you keep playing. Only for the quick. Next is going to be quick. Okay, for all my vegetarian friends, this question is not for you. What is oven cooked Punjabi chicken called?
Tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken. What is the name of the Bengali, famous Bengali soup? It is dipped in sugar syrup.
Audio.
Your voice is breaking.
What is
Mute
the
everyone. Mute.
It is dipped in sugar syrup.
Yeah.
Rasagulla. Rasagulla.
Rasgulla.
Yeah, Nabru, if everybody is on unmute, we are not able to hear you, Nabru.
Very good. Now let's go for this one.
What are we playing for?
The Indian name for meat
Saraji, mute
vegetable
everyone.
balls. Round. For vegetarians, it's vegetable. For non-vegetarians, it's meat. Round balls. What is it called?
Type anything. இதுல இருந்தாதான் type போணும் நம்மளுது.
Yes.
Kofta.
Kofta. Very good. Kofta. Correct answer.
வாயில இருக்கு ஆனா டிக்கெட்ல இல்லையே.
டிக்கெட்ல இல்லையா?
ஆமா.
இருக்காது. ஏன் இப்போவே கல்யாணம் பண்ணி இப்போ குழந்தை பிறக்கும். கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. வரோம். அடுத்த வரைக்கும் குழந்தை வேணும்னா எப்படி?
Nabrun, what are we playing for now?
90.
அதுக்கு வேற ஆன்சர் இருக்கு நபரோன். கல்யாணம் எப்ப வேணா பண்ணலாம், குழந்தை எப்ப வேணா பிறக்கலாம் நபரோன்.
Okay. What is the Tamil name for tamarind rice?
Puliyodare.
Think for quick 4. Don't worry. Okay. A substance that is responsible for making the food into a jelly structure.
Gluten.
Gelatin.
Correct answer. Very good. Well done. Yaar sonninga correct ah sonninga. Gluten. Okay. What is spicy noodles are known as what?
Szechuan noodles.
Yes. You're playing for quick 4, huh? Playing 4. Rotarian Anuradha doctor has Okay, let's move. What is India's famous aromatic rice known as?
Biryani.
The rice. I'm not talking the cooked rice.
Basmati rice.
No.
Basmati rice.
Smell varum, huh?
Basmati.
Basmati. Rice is not rice. Basmati. Okay, now. A fruit with the name of a shoe polish.
Kiwi.
Jaldi 4. We got jaldi
4.
Kiwi.
We got 4.
Okay, who's got 4? Doctor?
No. Sujata.
Rotarian Dr. Anuradha has claimed 4. No, before that. Wait.
We just have all the dishes.
Vijay Anand, kindly unmute.
Yeah.
Okay, this Vijay, okay. No, it doesn't matter. Show me the ticket. Vijay is showing me the ticket correctly. So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Vijay Anand, kindly note, Arun. Vijay Anand, quick 4. Okay, now we move to quick 5. Quick 5.
But before that, Nabrun, can you tell what all the answers you have given so far?
And quick 5 is the fruit with the name of a shoe polish. Kiwi. Superb. Kiwi. In Tamil, we call it pori.
Puffed rice.
Call it in
Puffed rice.
puffed rice. Very good. Puffed rice. In Kashmir, there came a very, very famous mutton dish. Mutton. What was it called?
Rogan Josh.
Rogan Josh.
Mutton Rogan Josh.
Mutton Rogan Josh. My friend,
Rogan?
Bengali, it's not. Mutton Rogan Josh is Kashmiri.
So we got 5.
Dr. Anuradha, how many?
Dr. Anuradha has claimed 5. But Dr. Anuradha got anything else? Just check. No. Okay. Dr. Anuradha is claiming 5. Doctor, can you just move back slightly, ma?
அவங்க கையில எழுதிட்டாங்க போல இருக்கு.
Dr. Anuradha, done, doctor. Dr. Anuradha, quick 5. And Dr. Anuradha, I more than anybody else in this whole group, I have tons of great respect for you because you have my Munji in the background.
Thank you, sir.
I'm very happy about that. It is good for me. Dr. Anuradha gets a Jaldi 5. And before we move on to the next one, I'd like to invite my friend Bala. Where is Bala? Okay, I'd like to invite my very, very good friend and a very, very talented singer, Bala Kedar over here. And Bala is, we would like to come. We would like to dedicate actually a song to Shri S.P. Bala Subramaniam, whom I have worked with at a point. I have had the great traveling with him all over South India and spending some great moments. In fact, I got my first Hindi song break with A.R. Rahman because S.P. Bala sir suggested my name for a song which he sang in Tamil, but he wanted me to go and sing it in Hindi. It was for the film Duet. The Hindi version of the song Kulicha Kutralam was sung by me because SPB sir recommended. And then after that, I had gone with him to meet him with the cassette and CD and got his blessings. And such a wonderful man. So we'd like to dedicate a song of SPB sirs for this evening, taking this opportunity. Jaldi 5 is over. More categories to come. Come, Bala. This is my friend Bala Kedar. And Bala is going to sing a beautiful song for us, which is not only sung by SPB sir, the song was also written and composed by SPB sir. So all yours.
Hi, Bala uncle.
Okay.
பறித்தேன் நங்கை வந்து சேரவில்லை சித்திர பூப்பறித்து தந்தை வந்து நட்சத்திரம் பாடுதடி உன்னை பார்த்திருப்பேன் வாக்கெடுத்து காத்திருப்பேன் ஜீவன் வந்து சேரும் நல்லை மேகம் போல் நான் கிடப்பேன் தேவி வந்து சேர்ந்து விட்டால் ஆவி கொண்டு நான் நடப்பேன் வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே வானம் விட்டு வாராயோ நெஞ்சிலே பாதை இல்லை உன்னை தொடங்கி வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே வானம் விட்டு வாராயோ வண்ணம் கொண்ட வெண்ணிலவே. Okay, Bala, that was excellent, excellent. Thank you so much. So that was my very, very good friend and very talented singer, Bala, who is also taking care of the overall proceedings in the studio at the moment. We are coming to you live from Jam Dub Studio, the state-of-the-art video and audio studio for all live streaming and recording purposes. We have also recorded and shot a lot of music videos, and we are coming up with a lot of work with web series and movies as well from here. So we move on to our next category. In the meanwhile, I've been told there is Praveen from your club who's a very good singer. Is he? Ladies and gentlemen, we have finished till quick 5. Next, we move on to quick 8. And right now, we are opening top line, middle line, bottom line. Whichever line is complete first, I don't know which is going to happen, but listen, top line, middle line, bottom line. Any line, and Sriram H will be coming after anybody finishes either top line, middle line, bottom line, or quick 8. Let's go. Yeah. That would be the next, after Mutton Rogan Josh, the next clue. KFC is famous for
Fried chicken.
fried chicken. Excellent. Fried chicken. And, okay. What do you call peas in Hindi?
Matar.
Mutter. Very good. Mutter, M-U-T-T-E-R, mutter. The ladies might be able to give the answer to the next question. What do you call a strap that holds the dresses on the shoulder?
Spaghetti.
What do you call a strap that holds the dresses on the shoulder?
Spaghetti.
Very good. Spaghetti.
Came from Vijay Anand first, not a lady, huh?
Sorry, ladies, giving me a look. Okay, it is Western modern wear. They use it. It's called spaghetti. Okay, spaghetti. Hey, khai ke banaras wala.
Pan.
Pan. Pan. Pan. Pan. Okay, we are playing for, remember, top 8, top line, middle line, bottom line.
Okay, fine.
Then quick only, but quick 8 is open for others. And yeah, that is sugar-coated mouth freshener is called.
Sweet sauce.
Sweet sauce.
Yeah, sweet sauce.
Right. And let's go for the next one.
Pan.
Pan is over already.
நான் இப்போ ஜாயின் பண்ணோம்.
Switzerland is famous for
Chocolates.
huh?
Chocolates.
Gold.
Chocolate.
Season.
Black money சொல்லுங்க. Black money. It's got to be black money.
Chocolate.
Chocolates.
Scotch.
Black
Scotch இருக்கு.
Chocolates. Chocolate. Okay. Okay. If you know a bit of Hindi, you might know this clue. It's the name of a sweet, but it's a message in a sweet.
Rabdi.
No.
Is it Rabdi?
Fortune cookies.
True. It's a message in a sweet.
Fortune cookies.
It's known as in Hindi.
Sandesh.
Huh?
Sandesh.
Sandesh.
Yes.
Sandesh. It's a very common Sandesh. Okay, forget all that. Let's go towards God's own country. God's own country. Okay?
Kerala.
In God's own country, there is a
There is a natural alcoholic drink which is available.
Toddy. Toddy.
Toddy, palm wine.
Toddy.
Palm wine.
Palm oil is not a drink. Drink palm oil, go with that. You drink palm oil. In a drink palm oil.
Not drink.
Drink toddy. But children don't drink. Anybody don't drink, but they drink. So the answer is toddy. Toddy. Okay. Right. Now, what is famously known as the word for meat or vegetable patty? Patty. Konja flat இருக்கும். Cutlet. Excellent. Cutlet. Indian name for minced meat.
Keema.
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 அனுராதா ban பண்ணுங்கப்பா.
Applying for quick 8. Top line, middle line, bottom line. Remember. Very famous Bengali fish gravy.
What? What is the question?
Very famous Bengali fish gravy.
Machar jhol.
Macher jhol. Excellent.
Machar jhol.
Macher jhol. Superb. So we move on to another one. This is a very fun question. Do not take it in the political spirit. It's a fun question. The question is, which sweet
Rabdi.
India and Pakistan?
Rabdi.
I have rabdi and irke.
Which sweet unites India and Pakistan?
Oh.
Kulfi.
Sweet. Silence.
Gulkan. Kulfi.
And the pair, it's got an Indian city and Pakistan in it.
Is it Karachi halwa? Karachi. Rasgulla.
No, how can Rasgulla is over already? Mysore Pak, correct. Brilliant. Good one. Mysore Pak. Okay. Now, the next thing is very, very famous all over the world, especially famous in South India. But from Brazil, what is it?
Chili.
Chutney.
Chutney did not come from Brazil unless your grandmother sent it from there by aircraft. Okay?
Chili.
Of this is very, very famous.
Coffee.
Huh?
Is it coffee?
Coffee, correct. Coffee originated from Brazil. It is very famous in South India. Famous worldwide, like I told you, but yeah. रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर Bhang, very good. Bhang. Okay, we are playing for quick 8. Top line, middle line, bottom line. Red hot what powder?
Chili.
Chili powder.
Red hot chili powder. Lord Krishna's favorite food in English.
Chili powder.
Butter.
Very good. Okay. Cocktail without alcohol.
Scotch.
Mocktail.
Cocktail, superb. Mocktail. Agra is very, very famous for the Taj Mahal. Okay.
Agra.
Okay. But, that happens. But we are not concerned about that. We are talking about Agra's famous pumpkin sweet. What is it?
Peta.
Agra ka peta.
We go back to cold zone country. Okay. They make one fish gravy in coconut milk. They do everything in coconut.
Moili.
Fish moili.
Fish moili. Apart from the great Lord Balaji, what else is Tirupati famous for?
Laddu. Jangri.
Famous for?
Laddu. Tirupati Balaji. Laddu.
Jangri.
Oh, they're saying laddu. Now, every other temple I've seen this. When people go, some people say, "Hey, engalukkaga konjam pooja pannittu vaangadaanu." Inga mattum போகும்போது அதெல்லாம் கேட்க மாட்டாங்க. எங்களுக்காக லட்டு கொண்டு வான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so laddu is very famous. Okay, that's laddu. Now, what is the not Tayir Sadam? What is the original name of curd rice?
सही बात
Nasibalabad.
सही बात
Okay.
Baghalabad.
Baghalabad. Do you know that things like sambar rice, curd rice, idli, dosa, none of this are originated in Tamil Nadu. All originated from a place in Karnataka called Udupi. And they had. So one of them is this. What's famously known as Thai Sadam here. What's yes? What happened?
Visibalabad. Wicket.
Tachimamu.
Named what? I can't see.
Everybody is talking.
Another line. See your ticket, or can you tell us what you finished? Madan is showing. Can you spotlight Madan, please? Madan, can host please spotlight Madan Raghunathan?
Yeah, he's spotlighted. He's spotlighted.
Baghalabad, Keema, Bong, Laddu, Fishmoli.
Sorry, one minute. One minute, Madan, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, start again. Tell me. Madan, start.
Yeah, on the first. Baghalabad, gluten, Keema, Bong, Fishmoli, Laddu, Basmati, Szechuan noodles.
Madan Raghunathan. Arun, kindly note. Madan Raghunathan, quick 8. Thank you, Madan. Congratulations. And Madan Raghunathan completed quick 8. And now we'll quickly move on to a Rajnikanth quiz question. And then we'll be back with top line, middle line, bottom line. Like I asked you, I'm going to ask you a Rajnikanth quick question. You have to type it. Ninga kathindu sonna yaarku prize kadikadhu. Ninga chat la mattum type pannanom. Only then we can make out. Okay, keep an eye on the chat. Very, very simple question, sir. Everybody will know. Name the only English movie in which Rajnikanth acted.
Bloodstone.
The only English movie in which Rajnikanth acted.
STONE.
No. Karthik is wrong. Bloodstone is the correct answer. And Rajan who?
Rajan Sitani, is it?
Rajan Sitani. Kindly note Bloodstone answer. Rajan Sitani. First Blood, my friend, is Sylvester Stallone, not Rajnikanth. And but the funny thing is, the movie in which Rajnikanth acted, that's Bloodstone, was with Sylvester Stallone's brother, Frank Stallone. He was the hero of the film also. So Sylvester Stallone's brother was the one with whom Rajnikanth acted in Bloodstone. Okay, so Bloodstone is the correct answer. The next question about Rajnikanth is coming up is, tell me the movie for which Rajnikanth wrote his first screenplay. Who gave the answer? Valli is the correct answer. Lot of Vallis, but Vijay Anand gave first. Vijay Anand, kindly note, Arun. Vijay Anand is correct in the Valli answer. Congratulations, Vijay Anand. And then we go on to the next one. Which was the first movie for which Rajnikanth repaid the distributors for the huge losses he had? Baba is the correct answer. And who gave first? Dr. Anuradha, no? Muthukannan. Okay, Muthukannan ji, Muthukannan sir. You get Muthukannan, kindly note around. Muthukannan, Baba answer. Very good, superb. Okay, now we have H. Sriram who's going to sing a song for us, and then we'll come on live for the top line, middle line, and bottom line. Muthu, thank you very much. Thank you, well done. Okay, so H. Sriram, are you here?
Yeah.
There's Mr. Sriram.
Yeah, good evening. So I don't have a -1, so I can just sing one stanza of movie. Is it okay?
That doesn't matter. Great singers like Tansen also didn't have -1s. You can just sing open throat, no problem.
रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई. रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई. सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे, हाँ तुम्ही से प्यार हुई. रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई. चाहे कहो इसे मेरी मोहब्बत चाहे हंसी में उड़ा दो, ये क्या हुआ मुझको खबर नहीं, हो सके तुम ही बता दो। तुमने कदम तो रखा जमीन पर, सीने में क्यों झनकार हुई, रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। Thank you.
Beautiful, sir. Very nice, very nice. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we seem to have a lot of singing talent here. Neelakandan sir and Sharath know this. Every Thursday, I sing Hindi and Tamil songs at a place called Pakwan. Anil, your member only, Anil Dangi, his restaurant. If you'd like to join and come there and have a dinner and sing with us, please feel free. You can join me and do some great singing with an lovely audio system and all the possible great karaoke tracks live in front of a live audience. Not online, live. So let's do that. And yes, I think Sujata Shiva is back. Sujata, before you run away again, why don't you sing a song for us, Sujata?
Okay.
There she is, the beautiful lady.
கொள்ளிடம் நீர் மீது நர்த்தனம் ஆடும், மெல்லிய பூங்காற்று மந்திரம் பாடும், செங்கனி மேலாடும் மாமரம் யாவும் ரங்கனின் பேர் சொல்லி சாமரம் வீசும். அம்மாடி என்ன சொல்லுவேன், கோயில் கோபுரம் ஆயிரம், தேனாக நெஞ்சை அள்ளுமே தெய்வ பூந்தமிழ் பாயிரம், ஸ்ரீரங்க ரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி.
Beautiful, beautiful. It takes me back to those wonderful days of Mahanadi. I remember seeing Shobana singing this song so beautifully. You sang it very well, and you get a special prize for this. Wonderful singing, Sujata. You got a very, very nice voice. I must tell you this. Very nice, very nice. So we have one more singer on standby, requesting Kritika Madhu. Kritika.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we are playing for top line, middle line, bottom line. But since all of you are singing so well, I'm going to sing one Kutti song for you. Kutti one. Okay, here we go.
Please, please.
much. Right, so let's go now to top line, middle line, bottom line. Okay. And the next question would be, so we finished quick 8. So next category will be top line, middle line, bottom line, and quick 10. Quick 10. Anybody new who finishes the quick can join in. Anybody who's already won the quick, please sacrifice a quick, but you can join for top line, middle line, bottom line. All right.
For the benefit of the latecomer, can you read out the...
Oh yeah, for all the latecomers, we will give you the clues once again.
I mean, you can say the answers also.
Yeah, I will tell the, I'll tell the answers only. If we do the whole channel, we'll stay here all night. And who's going to eat the biryani then?
Exactly. And it's waiting hard there.
Yeah. So all the latecomers, this time I'm doing, okay? Don't keep coming late all the time.
No.
Pongal. Ajinomoto. Sandwich. Tandoori chicken.
No.
Rasgulla. Kofta. Puliyodrai. Gluten. Szechuan noodles.
Custom.
Basmati. Kiwi.
No.
Puffed rice.
No.
Mutton Rogan Josh. Fried chicken.
No.
Mutter. Yenike pasigiddu in the list padicha. Spaghetti. Pan. Season. Sweets of. Chocolates.
No.
Sandesh. Toddy. Cutlet. Keema. Macher jhol. Mysore pak. Coffee. Bhang. Chili powder.
பான் சொன்னாங்களா? பான் நம்ம கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டோமா? டிக் பண்ணல. இல்ல பண்ணிட்டோமா?
Mocktail. Petha. Fish moily. Laddu. Bagalabat. Molaga. Oh, Molaga is not yet done. No. Bagalabat. Okay, till then only we have done. Okay. Okay, we have done till there. Okay. So we are moving now. We are playing Jaldi 10. We are playing for Jaldi 10. Top line, middle line, and bottom line. So kindly get your ticket ready. So we move on for the next one. Now, don't say Sudana Nai or Garam Kutta. That is not the answer.
Hot dog.
What
Hot dog.
is the name for
Hot dog.
dog?
Hot dog, yeah?
Hot dog.
Name for hot dog. Can you unspotlight and get me with the rest of the guy?
What is the name for hot dog?
I can do it here. Just see if you can do it. You can do it. Okay, tell me.
You can switch on your gallery view.
Huh?
Spotlight removed, you can switch on your gallery view.
Yeah, gallery view. You put a gallery view. I'm going to take a couple of shots of that. Yeah, tell me. What is the other name for hot dog? It is not Sudananai. And it is not sausage.
Sausage? Oh, no sausage.
Part of hot dog. Okay, it is not called hot dog. Sausage is an ingredient of hot dog. So can you tell me what is the other name for sausage? I'll give you a clue. There are places in Chennai itself which is named after that. There are
Frankie?
named after that.
Frankie?
No, not Frankie. Frankie is actually a roll. It is not a hot dog. When you go to a Frankie's, you get rolls, no?
Wiener.
Rolls.
Wiener.
No. Okay, I'll give you a clue. Think about it. Think of the shape of a hot dog.
Submarine.
Submarine, absolutely right.
Submarine.
Why the name Subway is used? You know, this place is called Subway. There they give primarily hot dogs and sandwiches. But it's called Subway because one more name for hot dog is submarine. It's shaped like a submarine. Okay, so submarine on your ticket. So this game is also so that you, in case you don't know, you go back with a little bit of, I also did a bit of a research to get here about this. Okay, so let's go for the next one. That would be, when these British chaps were ruling India, no, they boiled hot water and put some pepper and salt into it, and they made it into a soup.
Soup.
What is the name?
Mulgatwani.
It's actually, all the Peter people would say Mulgatwani and all. It's not that.
Multi-gateway soup.
Tanni soup.
Multi-gateway soup.
It's actually Molaga and Tanni. Molaga Tanni soup. Mulgatwani soup, Mulgatwani soup. Okay, it's basic Molaga Tanni soup. Okay. Which one 5-star will charge you $500 for 1 by 2. So that's one. We are playing for quick 10, top line, middle line, bottom line. Okay. What is fermented grape juice called?
Wine.
Wine.
A bit low. Hey, why is it there? Now is it okay? Clearer?
Yes.
Sharath, is that okay? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, good. Keep that voice high. What's your problem with me? Keep it low. Sharath sir must hear my voice. Okay. Wine is the correct answer. Wine is correct. Wine is correct. Okay, now this is going to be a fun question. Okay. What is a chicken with a bindi?
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka. In case you're a non-vegetarian, you're eating chicken, don't put a bindi and all in it. Okay. Chicken tikka. Okay. Now, what is instant cooking device? Husband, do not say wife. Okay.
Microwave.
What is instant cooking device?
Microwave.
Microwave. Super. Microwave. Okay. Microwave is correct. Let's go for
Bottom row.
Tamil Nadu's famous tiffin item, which rhymes rhyming samosa.
Yeah, Nabrun, somebody has got a bottom row.
Manjula.
Where? You should put it in the chat.
Manjula.
Yeah, Naresh, who has got it?
Manjula.
Manjula Sridhar. Manjula, please show it. Yeah. Go back a little bit. Go back konjam. Quick 10, na? Bottom line. Super. Bottom line gone. Bottom line, Manjula ji. And Manjula ji, if you go to YouTube, right, there is a song which is made in your name. It is sung by an artist called Baba Sehgal. It goes, Manjula. You go and listen to it. You'll like it.
I heard it. Thanks.
It's sung by Baba Sehgal. Okay, so Manjula. Manjula what? Sridhar? Huh?
Yeah, Manjula Sridhar. Yes.
Manjula Sridhar. Okay. Arun, kindly note, bottom line taken by Manjula Sridhar ji. Congratulations, Manjula ji. You will get a fantastic prize. One prize which you will never expect will come to you. So now we have opened only top line and middle line. And let's go for the next clue. Coming back. What is Tamil Nadu's famous tiffin item which rhymes with the word samosa?
Chutney.
Dosa.
Okay, now I'll give you a prize if you can tell me the correct answer to this question.
Someone got top row.
One question.
Someone got top row.
Relevant. Yes?
Top row.
Madan top row.
Anybody claiming?
Top row.
Top row. Who's claiming?
Madan.
Madan, come on, show it to me, Madan. Yeah. Come, yeah, show it straight, Madan. Showing it bent. Okay, Paka. 1, 2.
Good job, Madan.
Okay, Madan Raghunathan, top line. Arun, show some reaction. You're like,
First line there, third line.
So, top line, Madan Raghunathan.
Thank you.
So now middle line. Everybody give a huge round of applause. He's not a stranger. He's our friend. He's part of the club. Please give him a huge round of applause.
Madan konja siriyanga.
இல்ல treasurer இல்லையா
Madan.
இது போங்க போங்க ஆடுறாரு Madan.
But the beard and mustache is covering the whole thing. He's got bushes all over. It's all covering. Yeah, but Madan is a happy man. So wonderful. now we have only middle line open. Okay. And so, while before we go to the middle line, yeah, the next question I told you, I'll give you a full prize if you give me somebody is spotlighting me all the time. I can't see them. Okay, now give me you have to put on the chat box. Whoever gives me the correct answer for this, it's a fun question, but same time, it's a valid question. Listen very carefully. What is it which is, put it on the chat, okay? What is it which is a result of some cooking but a requirement for almost all cooking? Superb, Dr. Anuradha, rock star. Perfect answer. 10 points. And no, not 10 points, 1 prize. Dr. Anuradha, 1 prize for this. The answer is gas.
Thank you, thank you.
Excellent. Most people do not get this answer. Dr. Anuradha, well done. Gas is the answer. So kindly note gas question. Dr. Anuradha gets a prize. Okay, because this is the result of some cooking. Some people eat and some food and gas. And the requirement for all cooking, to cook that food itself, you need gas. So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Superb. So let's go for the next one. Let's go to the president's land. What is Andhra's famous green pickle?
Gongura.
Gongura. Let's go to the place on the top of India where most of the farmers are now coming and striking from. What is famous Punjab green sabzi called? Sarson da saag. Sarson da saag. We have only middle line left, and this thing actually helps you in healing. So in Indian tradition, whenever just before the marriage, they put it on
Turmeric.
Get trashed later after marriage. It is a yellow powder with
Turmeric.
Haldi.
Yes?
Turmeric.
Haldi. Okay, that one the English name is called turmeric. What is the international name for sweet curd?
Yogurt.
Very
Come on,
good.
10. Quick 10.
Quick 10. Our singer Sriram. Sriram has claimed quick 10. Sriram, can we spotlight Sriram? Yeah, just spotlight him. Sriram is there. Wonderful. Quick glance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. And Sriram, I must congratulate you for doing the ticket so clearly. You know, there are some handwritings like mine which even I can't read, but yours is very clear and legible. Thank God you're not a doctor. I think you're not a doctor. If you're a doctor, I wouldn't have been able to read your handwriting. Correct. Very good. So, wonderful. So, Sriram H gets a quick 10. Okay, Arun? Okay, Arun rejected. My God, that's a good thing. Okay, now, we have only middle line left. But before we proceed to the middle line, let's go back to Superstar Rajnikant. We forgot his quiz, no? You have to ask a few quiz questions. Okay, remember you have to type it on the chat. So my friend Bala will keep an eye on the chat box. So let's go. We still have middle line left. So which was the first Rajnikant movie which was dubbed into Japanese? Muthu, who said Muthu first? Huh? Vijay Anand. Muthu answer. Vijay Anand gets a prize. Well done, Vijay. Thank you so much. In fact, I think there's a Muthu Kannan in the club also, no? There's a Muthu.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now this one, nobody will know. Okay, you do research or whatever, let's see. Let's see how much of Rajnikant you know. You think you know everything about Rajnikant? Give me the name of the Bengali film in which Rajnikant acted. Even today they're asking, seriously, Apriya? Yes. Rajnikant acted. Bhagya Devata, my God, who's this? No. Bhagya Devata, that's okay. Who's that? Rupam? Huh? Rajan Sitani. I don't know how you know this, Rajan. But God bless you. You're brilliant.
We are from Bengal.
But you got it. A movie called Bhagya Devata in which, so Rajan Sitani gets Bhagya Devata answer. Arun react. And yeah. And then, now we go to the next question. Name the only feature film in which All three massive superstars acted together. Amitabh Bachchan, Kamal Hassan, and Rajinikanth. No. Amitabh Bachchan, Rajinikanth, and Kamal Hassan. Giraftar. Well done. Who's that? Manju?
Yeah.
Manjula Sridhar. Manjula ji, one more prize for you. Okay, kindly note Manjula Sridhar. That is Giraftar, the only film in which all three stalwarts acted together. Right. Now, everybody knows that director S.P. Muthuraman did the maximum number of films with Rajinikanth. Can you tell me the number of films in which Rajinikanth acted directed by S.P. Muthuraman? Even anyone comes closer, I will give them you don't have to give the correct exact number. If I can read, yeah, I can see this. Okay, we got the exact figure. Exact figure from Suresh Kumar. Not Suresh Kumar, sorry. Sriram R. Sriraman R. 25. 25 is the correct answer. 25 films directed by S.P. Muthuraman. Sriraman R gets the prize for this. Your name is noted, Sriraman. Congratulations. Somebody wrote 50, somebody wrote 75. No, my God, not happening. Okay. Okay. Rajinikanth acted in Bharat Raja's movie called Padinar Vaidinile. That was one. He acted in only one more Bharat Raja movie. What was that? He acted only 2 movies directed by a film by Bharat Raja. Yeah, we got the answer. Tanvi Amar, sorry. Tanvi Amar, Kodi Parkada is the correct answer. Kodi Parkada, which was more or less a remake of Shehenshah. But Kodi Parkada, that was correct answer from Tanvi Amar. I can't read the name. Can you tell me the name? Tanvi Amar, kindly note Arun. Okay, then coming to the remakes. Superstar Rajinikanth, from star to superstardom, he had a journey by remaking Amitabh Bachchan movies left, right, and center. Can you tell me how many Amitabh Bachchan movies was remade by Rajinikanth? Or Rajinikanth acted in the remakes of how many Amitabh Bachchan movies? If you come close to the figure also, I'll give you the prize. Yes, keep coming, keep coming. Lot of good guesses. Lot of good guesses. Stop. Vijay Anand. V. Vijay Anand. Oh, why Vijay Anand? I can't read it. V. Vijay Anand, absolutely correct. 22 films. 22. In fact, the funny thing is that towards the end, even Basha, in which he was remade, Rajni acted in the original Hindi film called Hum. He acted as a policeman brother, and Amitabh Bachchan did the original role. And then with slight changes, little changes in the screenplay, it was redone in Tamil. And Rajinikanth, superstar Rajinikanth, did the main role, and I think Kannada actor, that gentleman who did the policeman role. Okay, that was 22 films he's done. Okay, we'll be back.
Answer was given by my wife.
Let's go for the middle line. Okay.
Answer was given by my wife.
Answer given by your wife? Good. Please buy her a diamond ring on your own behalf. Or a necklace.
She doesn't wear diamonds.
Before 2020 ends.
Pure vegetarian chicken tikka.
So, congratulations. Now let's go. Pick up the ticket. Yeah. Yes, you're saying something? Sorry. Yeah. Please tell me again. Please tell me again. My audio was on mute. Tell me.
No. Somebody was saying that I was giving all the answers. I said only. Somebody was saying that I was giving all the answers. I was just saying only spaghetti, he said.
Because in a household, only the women have the answers. The men only keep asking questions. That's why the household is happy. Look at your smile. Look at you're smiling, he's smiling. You start smiling, Govinda for him, no? That's what. So you keep giving the answers, we men will keep asking the question, the blinking only. So let's go for the next one. And that would be for the middle line. For the middle line is, what is the sweetening ingredient inside pan which is made out of rose petals?
Gulkand.
Gulkand, very good, Gulkand. What is the original name of sambar rice?
Bismillabad.
Bismillabad, very good. Once again. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Let's go for the next clue. That would be Tirunelveli is famous for
Alva.
Alva.
Alva. I like that. The Dr. Anuradha's children are having a wonderful smile. They're having a great time. I love your smile in the front and I love myself in your back. Yeah, super. Who's constantly, yeah, please don't spotlight yet like this. I need to see everybody how they're reacting. So let's go. Fermented barley water is famously known as
Whiskey.
Ayyo.
Beer.
Sorry. Yeah.
Barley water ka whiskey ka sambandham illa. Beer ma, beer. Okay, what is wood oil? Also
sorry?
Essentially oil. Nallenai. Okay. What is the Indian name for condensed milk? Who also happens to be
Rabdi.
A fruit that helps both in constipation as well as diarrhea.
Jackfruit.
Eat jackfruit, I guarantee you. In both the situations, you'll be inside the bathroom for the next 2 weeks. You'll be on self-quarantine without COVID. That's my sheer was. What is the fruit? It's a miracle fruit. You actually tried if you have constipation.
Papaya.
You will also be in the next bathroom. Banana, absolutely correct. Banana is the correct answer. Banana. And let's go for the next one. What do you call corn in Hindi? C-O-R-N, corn.
Butta.
எங்களுக்கு ஹிந்தி தெரியாது.
Middle line. The movie Amitabh Bachchan acted it called Dash Kapda or Makan. Roti. What are fish eggs famously known as?
Caviar. Middle line.
Here.
Caviar. Middle line.
Middle line done. Super. Who's this?
Band doctor.
Who's claiming middle line? Name him.
Caviar. Middle line done.
Okay, 1 minute. Please spotlight Dr. Anuradha's children. Yeah. Okay, middle line done. Super. Now we are wonderful. Thank you, ma. Thank you, kids. Thank you, children. Okay, so kindly note, Arun, Dr. Anuradha, finish middle line. So we have got all 3 lines completed. We have only one category, that's full house. Before we move to full house, I'd like to invite our next singer. That would be Kritika Madhu. Could you kindly come forward?
எவரோ சொல்லாமலே பூக்களும் வாசம் வீசுது, உறவும் இல்லாமலே இருமனம் ஏதோ பேசுது. எவரோ சொல்லாமலே கோயிலெல்லாம் தேனா பாடுது, எதுவும் இல்லாமலே மனசெல்லாம் இனிப்பா இனிக்குது. ஓடு நீரோடு இந்த உலகம் அது போல, ஓடும் அது ஓடும் இந்த காலம் அது போல, நிலையாமில்லாது நினைவில் வரும் நேரங்களே, தென்றல் வந்து தீண்டும் போது என்ன வண்ணமோ மனசுல, திங்கள் வந்து காயும் போது என்ன வண்ணமோ நினைப்புல, வந்து வந்து போகுதம்மா எண்ணமெல்லாம் வண்ணமம்மா, எண்ணங்களுக்கேத்தபடி வண்ணமெல்லாம் மாறுமம்மா. தாயம்மா உன்னத நானு சொன்னேன் பொன்னம்மா சின்ன கண்ணு. Thank you.
Wow, that was excellent. That was excellent. I'm telling you, a voice like this one does not need music. Superb. Yeah, see, we have clap. Manjula ji is given animation clap. I think all of you who are not clapping, you should type that animation clap and give a, Kritika a very, very big round of applause. Well done, Kritika. Excellent.
Thank you so much.
Superb. Okay, now. We have a new a prospective member here who's joined in. Could we have spotlight Mr. Srinivasan of Prim Drugs, please? We'd like to welcome you on behalf of the club.
Yeah, Mr. Srinivasan, welcome.
Could you show us your visual, please?
Welcome, Srinivasan, sir.
Welcome, Srinivas.
Audio
unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Please unmute Srinivasan, sir.
Yes, sir. Unmuted, sir.
There he is. Yeah.
Good evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Everybody welcome.
Yeah, welcome, Srinivasan.
Thank you, sir.
Srinivasan, sir, please welcome and say some good things about how much you're going to donate to each member.
Not to each member.
Yes, today is the first attendance. No, we don't know what is the fix you have. There is 100 rupee or 1 crore. After 1 or 2 meetings, we will decide, sir.
No, this is a fun party. This is biryani bonanza. So after eating biryani, everybody will forget what happened.
Yeah, we can do it, sir. Not an issue. But whatever they are able to eat, we can do it.
Welcome to the
Thank you, Jay Srinivasan. அவர் சொல்றது ரொம்ப சீரியஸா எடுக்காதீங்க. He's trying to pull your leg. Yeah, have fun.
Right, sir.
Seriously, we're having some biryani fun.
Yes, sir.
This is a fun club, so we're having some great.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome once again. Welcome on behalf.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let's continue with the game. Let's move on.
Yeah, please.
And we have some more quiz. No, we'll have to ask some more Rajnikant quiz. We have some more prizes to give, and then we'll head for the full house. Okay, quickly. As you know, Tillumulu is a remake again of a Hindi film, but this was not a Amitabh Bachchan film. It was a remake of an Amol Palekar film, and in the Tamil version, Tillumulu, a very, very famous actor played a cameo role. Could you tell us his name, please?
Thengai Srinivasan.
Kamal Hassan is the right answer. Who's that? Bala? Secretary.
Yeah,
Bala Secretary. Please note, Bala Secretary. Bala. Can you see Bala Secretary?
It is actually his boss, typing the answer.
Bala Secretary gets the correct answer. Kamal Hassan. Okay, Bala Secretary. Are you noting?
This is Raji.
Bala Secretary, that is Kamal Hassan. Okay, which I spoke about SP Muthuraman. No, tell me, he directed 25 movies of Rajni sir. Can you tell me the last movie which he directed in which Rajnikant sir acted? The final SP Muthuraman film in which Rajnikant acted. Not Siva, no. If I'm right, I don't think Siva. Pandian is the right answer. Pandian by Tanvi. Bala, you have to tell me the name. Yeah. Tanvi Amar. Please note, Tanvi Amar is right. It is Pandian. Okay, there's one person, one actor who played Rajnikant's brother in one film and Rajnikant's villain in another film. Who was that actor? He played his brother in the Tamil remake of Diwar. Okay, I'm giving you a clue. He played Rajnikant's brother in the Tamil remake of Diwar. Suman is the correct answer. He played the villain in Shivaji. That would be, who's the name of the person? Satish Kumar. Kindly note, Satish Kumar, correct answer for Suman. Okay. And the final quiz question is very, very simple. In which movie did Rajnikant and Amir Khan act as brothers? I'm not joking. They've acted as real brothers, not cousin brother. No. In which movie did Rajnikant and Kamala and Amir Khan act as brothers? This movie was a remake of the English super hit Godfather, The Godfather. Yes. Ampanch. No, Ampanch, both of them are not nearby also. Who's the person who gave that? Rajan Sitani is absolutely correct. Kindly note, the answer is Arthur. That's okay. Spelling mistakes happen. Till today on Facebook, don't know the difference between LOSC and LWSC. So we are not going into spelling and all. Okay. So fine. Excellent. So let's go quickly towards the full house. We are playing full house, full ticket. Okay. And coming up is the first clue. First clue is a musical clue. Listen. Here we go. பாட்டு பாடவா பார்த்து பேசவா பாடும் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பாலிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காலை பாட்டு பாடவா பார்த்து பேசவா பாடும் சொல்லவா பாலிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காலை Thank you so much. Now tell me, what is the name of the food item?
Sambar. Sambar.
Sambar, correct answer. Well done. Sambar on your ticket. Excellent. So, let's move on to the next one. That would be no. 2 buns and a patty.
Burger.
Burger, correct answer. Burger. Which came first? Chicken or?
Egg.
Egg. You're playing for full house, full ticket. Okay, whoever claims first, quickly claim it on the chat. We are keeping an eye on the chat. Okay. Indian ice cream is called?
Kulfi. Kulfi.
Cool only, but yeah, kulfi. Kulfi. The main ingredient in making bread.
Flour.
Maida or
Yeast.
Okay. Yeast. No. It's called maida or refined flour on your ticket. Maybe yeast also. Karnataka sweet chapati is called?
Boli.
Tutti frutti is made of?
So?
Papaya.
Huh?
Papaya.
You know the funny thing?
Hey, someone got full house.
I hate papaya.
Manjula got full house.
I can't stand papaya.
Manjula ma'am got full house.
Manjula ji full house.
Manjula ma'am got full house.
Manjula ji, sow the ticket. And don't sow the ticket. Just tell the name.
What is your ticket number, Manjula ji? What's the ticket number?
I don't remember. I think 60.
That doesn't matter. Manjula ji, just read the items on the ticket.
Okay. Poli.
Okay.
Submarine. Butta. Egg. Gulkan. Mulgitwani soup. Roti. Maida refined flour. Pan. Caviar. Mutton Rogan Josh. Season. Gluten. Kiwi. Microwave.
Congratulations.
Awesome, ma'am.
Congratulations. The first winner of the full house. You get a bumper prize. Kindly note Manjula. Manjula ji's name, Arun. Okay, kindly note her full name. That's Manjula Sridharan, right? Manjula Sridhar. Please, everybody, all of my friends, you have to give her a huge round of applause. Okay, she's the first winner. But no worries, no worries. We have one more full house. So let's see who gets the next one. So just like Manjula ji claimed on the chat box, keep the chat box ready. And let's go. What is South Indian mixed vegetable with coconut called?
Puriyal.
Avial.
Avial. Okay. Gujarati besan idli.
Dokla.
Sivamani.
Drumstick.
Correct answer. Drumstick. Okay. Okay, now this one was discovered by the Chinese. How much ever we say no Chinese, we cannot say no.
Tea.
That's it.
Tea.
Very good. Tea. Main ingredient, non-alcoholic ingredient in Bloody Mary.
Vodka.
Champagne.
Tomato juice. World's most famous whiskey is called
Champagne.
Chapaya.
Cognac. Whiskey then whiskey. Johnny Walker.
Oh, champagne. Champagne. No. It is not champagne. It is Scotch. Okay. Now we have one god, but we have different names of his favorite sweet in North India and in South India. Give me Lord Ganesha's favorite North Indian
sweet. Modak.
North Indian sweet.
Modak.
I was telling you, Lord Ganesha has two different names for the same sweet. One in North India is called Modak, South it's called Kolkata. Okay, we want on your ticket you have the North Indian name. Okay, as soon as you enter Kerala border, there's a beef dish, very, very famous. What's it called?
Syrian beef fry.
Syrian beef
fry. Syrian beef fry. Idli and
Chutney.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday to you.
Cake.
King of fruits.
Jackfruit. Pulaus.
Name?
House.
Punhaus is all the kutis, Dr. Anuradha and gang. I'm not even kuti papas, we will not check your ticket. Given. 1 second full house, Dr. Anuradha. For Arun who's not listening. Dr. Anuradha.
Thank you.
Okay, second full house. Kuti papas, we totally trust you. Okay. And for the final hat trick, the third full house, let's move quickly to the next one. Curdled milk solids are known as Paneer. Full house. Rotarian Doraisamy, third full house. Again, Arun who's not listening. Rotarian Doraisamy, kindly note. Third full house. Okay. And the rest of you, each one here, each person who took part today, all of you get a participation prize. Each one of you from your president. It's called biryani. It will come. If it's not come, it will come sometime. If it does not come at all, cook yourself and eat. Okay. So this is Navrun Ghosh and gang signing off. But before I do that, I'd like to tell you that because of this thing called COVID and new normal and all that, I generally enjoy seeing all of you face to face and having fun with all of you. But we have to do all this, and it's not just me here. There's a huge gang behind the scenes. Okay, let me introduce all of them. Let's have Victor coming in. He's the person who's been doing the sound. We are coming live to you from Jammed Up Studios, the state-of-the-art audio studio in town on OMR. This is Victor. I think you must give a round of applause to all my friends here who really been working hard to put this together. Victor is on the sound. On the camera, let's have our two friends, Kaushik and Suvita. Because all the visual you're seeing are because of Kaushik and Suvita. Please come here. Are you on the frame? I'm telling the camera guys. Okay, yeah, they're there. Okay, the person who took care of the entire thing together and coordinated and also sang for you, that's Bala Kedar, Bala. And the CEO of this organization who's on the laptop pretending to be working, when he knows I will call him, he'll come running. That's Arun. And he's also scoring. If anything goes wrong, you know who to beat up. Okay, that's Arun here, the CEO. And we would like to call, Arun, don't run away, we're here. And we'd like to call upon the person who owns the studio and who runs the studio, a very, 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 very enterprising entrepreneur into multiple things, into cycling, into a lot of other activities. That's KP Krishnan. You can't see his face. That's KP Krishnan. This is the whole gang here at Jammed Up. They're going to stand here right now while Bala sings the final song for all of you here. So, Bala, are you ready? Okay. And let's party and let's have a good time. But before that, please, if you really enjoyed the show, please give a huge round of applause to my brother, my classmate, my darling Sharath Kumar. We went to school together. I'll never say we studied together. We went to school together. He studied, he became president. I didn't study, I'm singing for you. Okay? So all you children, you want to become president, study. You want to become me, actually don't, the bad advice. All will become me. Okay, no, you study. Okay, okay, so thank you so much for joining us tonight. And yeah, so we end with this song by Bala, and I hope all of you enjoy yourself. Please have a wonderful, safe 2020, whatever remains of 2020. Please be safe, wear a mask, use hand sanitizer, and even if you don't feel like it, have a bath every day. And this is Navran Coach and friends signing off. Thank you so much. Goodbye and good night. With the last song coming up, Bala, over to you.
காப்பி நபரே இருந்தால் ஆண்டு தாண்டி இனிமேல் நமக்கென்ன வேறு எங்கும் எங்கும் உலகம் உலகம் நமது பாக்கெட்டிலே வாழ்க்கை வரக்கட்டும் ராக்கெட்டிலே இரவு பொழுது நமது பக்கம் விடிய விடிய கொண்டாடுவோம் கட்டழகு வண்டிக்கு வச்ச வீடும் பட்டிருக்கு வச்ச இடம் உங்களின் திரும்பவின் தாராரே ஆடை இல்லாத மேரி அவன் பேரு நாடு ஞானி இன்று ஒரு ஹாபி எல்லாரும் இனிமேல் பேரி கண்கம் தேவை தட்டட்டும் தட்டட்டும் கைகள் Come on everybody join together hey hop 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 ரத்தட்டும் தட்டட்டும் கைகள் காவட்டும் மாறட்டும் கால்கள் கடவுள் வளைத்த உலகம் இது மனித சுகத்தை மறப்பதில்லை அழகு வண்டியிருக்கு வட்டனிடம் வட்டிருக்கு வட்ட இடம் வட்டன எங்கேயும் எப்போதும் சங்கீதம் சந்தோஷம் ராத்திரிகள் வந்துவிட்டால் ரத்தினங்கள் ஓடிவிடும் Come on everybody! Yo, you got it! Thanks. Hey! And also, ladies and gentlemen, cut the reverb, dude. And also, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank Naresh Advani for co-hosting the show. Naresh Advani, thank you so much, Naresh sir, for co-hosting the show. And Neil, thank you so much for the wonderful biryani idea. Fantastic. So we'd like to thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very, very much for joining us this evening from the Rotary Club of Madras, Gindi. This is Nabrun Ghosh and friends signing off from Jammed Up Live Studios. Thank you very, very much. And take care. Till we meet again. Goodbye and good night.
Fantastic show, Nabrun. Fantastic show.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, President. Really enjoyed.
Thanks,
President. Thank you for the participation. Right. We will take this to a level up. So from biryani, we will upgrade it in the coming weeks. Thank you, guys.